Today we're reviewing how to put a bag inside the Redline series vacuum. Rubak has a specially designed bag that fits nicely in a Redline series bag. All you need to do is simply fold the bag over. You want to make sure that you push the bag down a little bit in the bottom so it makes the same profile as the dustpan, and you simply add it to the dustpan and hit the dustpan lever. You then can begin to suck material up. You can bring all your material into the machine and it's going to collect in the vacuum. Again, this vacuum is not going to pass any dust, so all that material can simply go into the bag. Now when it comes time to maintenance, OSHA clearly states with silica dust, anytime you're maintaining equipment outside of table 1, you want to have an approved respirator. So you want to put an approved respirator on. You're going to shake the shaker bar. That's going to drop the dust off the filter. You're going to drop the dustpan, and then you're going to turn on one motor. That's going to hold all that dust up against the filter. Simply remove the bag, take it from the outside of the machine, tie off the bag, and dispose of it. And that's a completely dust-free emptying system that's going to work with your silica dust. So that's been a review of Rubak's dustpan bag liner for Redline series machines.